and welcome again to CryptoJet, everybody, where today we're getting straight into the video with a little bit of a market recap on Bitcoin. First of all, so it turns out I'm a complete retard and I thought the retracement was going to last up into the fib levels like it did last time. Well, what do you know, there was too many buyers willing to enter the market now, and even though a lot of people wanted to take profits and were actually entering sell positions and trying to take profits and trying to push the price down, that did not happen because there was basically just very simply a lot more buyers than there was sellers because crypto is gaining some popularity. Boys, around the world, it's going to get absolutely crazy in a few years after this next bear market happens, but I'm not going to scare you too much about that. Basically, this is something that I drew out. I like to call myself Picasso. So this is what happens. You move up and then you move down and then you move up again, and then Bitcoin reaches something like 90K and then we enter the bear market. Now, moving on to the project of the day, it is Sushiswap. So basically there's over $5 billion of liquidity in this application. You can see a little bit about the volume, about the pairs and everything. Basically it's an automated market maker, so a decentralized exchange, and it looks like every single other decentralized exchange out there on the whole market. So you can swap, pool, migrate, farm, lend, borrow, stake, do pretty much everything you want to do if my mail would get out of the way. Basically it's very easy to do. You can swap, you can limit swap, you can add liquidity. Basically anything, all you have to do is connect your wallet. So a very cool application. You have Cashy, lending and leverage, bento box apps, Sushi staking, on-scene program, etc. Now, 20 plus wallets are supported, over 14 chains, 25k Discord members, and 150k Sushi holders. A lot of the partners are helping them cook the tastiest dishes in decentralized finance. We have Yearn, Cream, Aave, Pickle Finance, Acropolis, and Keeper Network. So definitely check out their well, there's nothing really to check out, so let's move on to the news of the day, which is Ethereum hitting a new all-time high, Bitcoin inching towards record as cryptocurrencies rally. So yes, I completely agree, this is all completely correct. So looking at Ethereum's chart, this is somewhat of what I drew for Ethereum. Obviously I'm more of a Michelangelo in this sort of drawing right now, but if you see the price moving upwards and then retracing towards the downside and then going up once again, that's kind of what I expect for Ethereum, because we can't just keep moving upwards all the time. You know, there has to be some sort of a profit-taking move in the market occasionally, right, for sellers to get out. And okay, that's pretty much it when it comes to this. And the last segment of the video, looking at Sushiswap, we can see a textbook double bottom formation right down here. So if you want me to, you know, draw it for you like your little 5-year-old baby, let's go. Boom, boom, that's a double bottom formation. And then we broke out of this nice zone of support. Oh God, when I see a zone of support so strong, I just want to... And yeah, so we're making somewhat of a bullish correction pattern, a triangle or whatever is happening right here. But I do expect that in the moment that we actually do break out of this and we perform a retracement, that is a very, very good and a very nice buying position right here. And then price will simply rocket up to the previous all-time high level of, let's say, 22.5, where my target stands. So that's it for today's video. If you do enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below if you think I'm a complete moron. Adios.